A lot of times in the past, the rental was, yep, we can rent you that, here it is, and away you go, and they get it, and they go, how do we put the screens in? Well, sorry, you have to do that. We now supply the screens, we show them how to put them in, we show them how to start it and stop it. We also promise them that if it quits, breaks down, or has any problem other than damage, we'll come and fix it at our cost. If it even blows a bearing, we'll send a guy. Our contract says they're responsible for all the repairs and maintenance while they have it. But listen, you rent a $500,000 cone crushing plant and it gives them trouble. We go fix it and get them back up and running and don't hand them a bill. The only time we hand the customer a bill is if they damage it. If they run into it with a loader or have an upset with it and do some damage. And that's not been an issue, they understand that. But fixing it and getting it running and getting them back up has been huge in our rental business.